Or the story that he brings about in explaining the frictional unemployment is a Greek story, right? Where he talks about there's a guy called Tantalus who had done something and hence the Greek gods punished him. Wherein whatever he wanted was very close by to him, but he could not reach out to that, right?
Yes.
And hence the phrase comes in tantalizingly close, etc. and all of that.
Yeah.
This frictional employment emanates from that, where he talks about fine automation happen, and we have spoken about how it can bring good things also, right? In terms of productivity, bigger pie, etc. Which means that the jobs are not lost completely; they are there. It is just a taken of different form or shape. Now, can the mass population which is there, which has been trained for some other kind of employment, can it make use of it? Can they make themselves employable, etc. is the question. Which means that the unemployment that we talk about is not exactly there, but it is there in a different form. And this is what he's calling as frictional unemployment. And this happens for a wide variety of reasons. Where he goes into, like I said, people not making themselves employable for a different kind of employment that is there in the market, or people not willing to move across geographies, etc. Because as you get into this new kind of employment, there's a possibility that you have to relocate yourself, etc. People not be keen doing it, or even today that happens wherein people think that they're overqualified to do some kind of a job, right? There's an anti-crisis, right? So all of these comes into frictional unemployment, and how do we handle that is a question that all of us have to answer. The second point is on structural unemployment, which is actually there is a dearth of jobs which is there. It is not like some kind of job has come in, etc. But there's actually a job loss that has happened. But people might question saying that in the past also automation has happened, say from the 90s, there's a lot of automation that has happened, but doesn't mean that if you look at the unemployment figures, the numbers have not dropped significantly. So the argument is, why should we be worried now? But the point is, the author talks about why is this situation very different from what has happened in the past. What is happening very differently is because while there is a substitution of job loss that happened in the past, there was always a complementary factor that happened, wherein people could pick up something which is allied to what they are doing today, and hence retain their jobs. There's not a lot of loss of the jobs. But the amount of complementing factor that is happening in the current wave of AI that is happening is not so significant. The pace of that is dwindling against the substitution factor, which means that it is a problem that we all should be worried about. And hence, structural unemployment is a problem statement that we should be worried about. Frictional unemployment is not such a big problem